Now we will move on to our next question type. Okay, study sources A and B. Having read source A, are you surprised by source B? Okay, so for this question, okay, if we were to rephrase this question to make it easier to understand, okay, it's that does source A make you surprised by source B? Okay, and when is it that source A will make you surprised by source B? That's when they contradict each other. Okay, so when we are trying to do a question on evaluating how surprising a source is, we will do it in two approaches, right? Number one, we do our cross-referencing. Okay, and if it contradicts, like what I mentioned just now, contradicts equal surprised, okay, and vice versa, support equal not surprised. Okay, and then step number two, we will need to check, or we need to see our expectations of the source. Okay, of the sources. Okay, and the way we do this is to evaluate the provenance so that we understand, we are able to identify what we expect the sources to say. Okay, so if a source is expected to say something equals to not surprised, not expected equals surprising. Okay, so then what would be our first step that we need to take in order to answer this question? Okay, so step number one, again, it is to ATQ and do your basic cross-referencing. Okay, which is the way you will start it should be having read. So if you all notice, I've just been using the question phrasing. Okay, having read source A, I am surprised by source B. Okay, and again, you give me a reason for why you'll be surprised or not. Okay, because source A contradicts source B. Okay, and then you do your normal cross-referencing. And then now, step two, okay, this is where it will help you to get your higher level of your marks. Okay, is it the same as the previous question whereby you just need to evaluate the provenance of one source? Okay, for this question, you actually need to evaluate the provenance of both sources. Okay, so why is it that you have to evaluate the provenance of both sources? Okay, you cannot just say that you expect source B to say certain things and then totally ignore the fact that this question is asking you to read source A as well. Okay, and you also cannot only evaluate source A to say that you are not surprised by it, because then you are disregarding the second part of the question. Okay, so for this question type, or does source A make you surprised by source B, you must evaluate the provenance of both sources. Okay, so how will you write out your paragraph? Okay, you can start with source A is created by, okay, and then you continue your entire evaluation of the provenance, okay, which means it will blah blah blah. Okay, this is expected of the author since blah blah blah. Okay, and then you go on to talk about your next source also. Okay, so also source B is created by, Okay, which means it will, so you just continue as per what you did for source A. Okay, and it is expected of the author to say blah blah blah. Okay, and then remember your most important linking statement. Okay, since sources A and B are expected to say different things regarding blah blah blah, I am sorry, okay, let's erase this. Okay, since source A and source B are expected to say different things, source A does not, so you ATQ here, does not make source B surprising. Source okay, so this is how we will answer this question.